How is everyone doing? Welcome back. Thanks for being here with me. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I was going to say a couple of years ago, but many years ago, I did a Dutch pour, so a blow dryer technique with different puddles as the colors. And I've done a couple of those. I did one as like an Easter blowout a couple of years ago where I puddle different colors and then blow them out in the one painting. But this time I wanted to do it as the background. So my plan is to split the canvas in half twice. So I'll have fourths. And I'm doing blue because I'm going to start with my comfort color and have different blue puddles as the base, basically. I don't necessarily always love having something that's linear, so I'm going to have to figure out how I want to actually blow the paints out when I do it, and I don't want to see the exact lines of where they meet, so it might be a little difficult, but I definitely want to give it a try. So let's paint. All right, so I have marked off my canvas here, and I just to have like a center point. It's not going to matter that much, but I just wanted a little reference. And I'm thinking about where I want the colors to go. So I think I want the lighter colors in each corner. So this is grayish blue, phthalo blue, Payne's gray, and then this is a mixture of all kinds of turquoise and greens that I had. So I think I'm going to do them like this. And then for my colors, I have a really pretty green. I have gold, copper, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of light blue. And I am going to add some white in there as well. So I hope it's not too many colors, but let me set these down like on the side where they're going to go. And then I will puddle this out. I'm going to puddle that out. I'm going to blow it out with my blow dryer. But if I like this, I might do a couple more in different color schemes. And I also want to do some like singular color schemes as well. But I have been having fun with my blow dryer. I've been doing a lot of swipes and a lot of wrecked ring pours, and I had those paints sitting over there and they're like staring at me with their eyeballs like, ma'am, you mixed me up. Are you going to use me? So I'm like, all right, yes, I will. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to start. So I'm going to puddle it just in the center a little bit of each square, and then I'll blow it out to those edges, I think. In my mind, that sounds like the right thing to do. This one up here. Why do I feel like that puddle is bigger than the other puddle? Okay, now my grayish blue up here. Ooh, okay. All right. Oh, I'm already dripping everywhere. And then my last puddle right here. I also want to do a wave, but I want to do it not using any of my regular colors. So my go-to colors are, for blue, are phthalo blue, Payne's gray, or Prussian blue, depending on the brand, but that deep dark color, turquoise green, and turquoise blue. Those are like, and sky blue light. Those are like my favorites. But there are so many different blues out there. There's manganese blue, there's cobalt blue, there's ultramarine blue. So I want to do a wave, and I got more circular canvases too, doing that as well. So you'll see that hopefully coming up in the next few weeks as well. Okay, all right, I'm gonna get these out of the way, and it looks like I'll have some left over, so we might be getting another painting out of these. I wouldn't mind that at all. Okay, I'm gonna blow this out. Okay, I have my base down. This was harder than I thought. To try to keep the colors from like fully mixing together, but I will say it was helpful to have a center mark to try to keep it, and then it was helpful to blow them in to kind of meet. The issue was that the paint puddled in the center of where the lines met, so then I had to blow down and back each way to try to get some of that paint off the canvas. So that was the difficult part, but you can kind of manipulate it around, and my blowout is going to come through these lines, and then I'll try to fiddle with it a little bit to figure the rest out. Okay, so what color do I want to go with first? I feel like, I don't know. I feel like maybe the yellow. I have green already, so I am worried about that. Maybe I'll start with the blue. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Give it a little bit of a buffer there. I mean, the blue will mix in anyway. Ugh, I don't know. Okay. I'm going to go, and I don't know how I want to, I think I want to do it like this. There's already a bunch pooled right there, so I don't need to go like crazy with this. I don't know. I'm just playing around. Let's just see what happens. If I like it, I'll keep doing it. If I don't like it, ain't happening. Okay. Now, oh, I left both of my metallics for the top. I probably shouldn't have done that, but, and I am going to add some white to lighten this up. Copper. Should I do white first? I'm going to do the white first. I'm going to drizzle that along like that. And then I'll do the copper on top. How about that? This color combination might be a little bit questionable. I don't know. The plus sign. Okay. All right. That is a ton of paint. I have a feeling this is going to be just a big blowout and you're not going to be able to see the base, but let's see. That's a lot of paint. All right. Wish me luck, y'all. Oh. Oh, I am very happy with this. I think this was very successful. First, I love the yellow and the green. I was worried that the yellow would just literally mix with the blue to just be green. I love it. I am going to fix up a couple of parts, but I just think it's really, really pretty. This one little part didn't get blown out, but okay, I'm going to fix up these little parts here to make a few wispies. I was worried it would just be like a line blown up the top, but I blew it out I may blow that part right there as well, but I blew it out to cover the edges, and it really just has those background colors to it. I am super happy with this. My finger was a little heavy there. I wanna soften that up a little bit. Bring that through there. I don't love harsh lines. That's why I do those kind of little finger swipes to soften it a little bit. And if you like harsh lines, totally okay. I'm really happy. I can't believe this worked, and it worked on the first go. I'll have to look at it a couple of different ways to see. I mean, it looks like I did a 3 puddle blowout basically on it. You can definitely tell there's 4 petals in this one, but I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I'll show you. What do we think? Super cool, huh? I mean, I've done split bases before and color combinations, but look at that green and yellow on that Prussian blue Payne's gray. Look at the details that are in there. Wow. This is the softer grayish blue up here, bluish gray. I still love those dark bright colors. I really enjoy. There's the copper and the gold and the green. I like it. All right, so I might try some other color combinations of this for the background. This worked out really well. Oh, I'm excited. All right, I'll show you how it dries. I am super happy with how this came out. You can see all the different details that are in there. The copper, I feel like, was a nice accent to this. The green, I'm so glad that I used the green and the yellow. The yellow actually didn't show up as much, which I like because it's already got the gold in there. And the 4 different colors, the different corners, I just really enjoy this. So let me know if you want to see this in some different color combinations. I will definitely be trying this again. I am also very surprised that I could blow it out this way, you know, up, straight across, and down, but it still looks like it's blooming outward. I thought it was going to be much more linear. So I am very, very happy. Hope that you enjoyed this, a little bit different for me at least, and I am super happy with the result. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you have a good day. Happy painting.